The Easy Nightclub. We're going to step forward on the right, do a mambo half turn to your left. Here we go. And step, mambo turn. Now step to your right, step, half and rock back. Recover as you quarter weave. And behind, quarter three, quarter side. From the top, stepping right forward. Counts 1, 2 and turn 3. 4 and rock, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, side 1. Okay, we're turning to the back wall, behind, quarter, cross, rock, side, touch. Behind, quarter, cross, rock, side, touch. Making a quarter turn, stepping forward. Mambo half turn right, rock, recurve, turn, and 8 and 8 and. From the top, stepping right forward. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and rock, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and side 1. 2 and rock, 3 and side, 4 and turn, 5 mambo, 6 and 7 and 8 and. You're going to step forward on the right and sweep 1. Jazz to the front, 2 and lunge, 3. Here's your 3/4 turn right, you're coming back here. 4 and 5, now to the front, 6 and 7 and 8, big step 1, angle to your left diagonal, from the top, right foot forward, 1, 2 and turn 3, 4 and rock 5, 6 and weave 7 and 8 and 1, to the back, 2 and rock, 3 and side, 4 and turn 5, 6 and 7 and 8, sweep on 1, to the front, 2 and lunge, 3, 4 and turn 5, 6 to the front, 7 and 8, big step 1. Rock and quarter turn, full turn and a quarter to your left. We should end up at the back wall. Back, rock, quarter, full turn, quarter. Rock back, recover, we're turning right this time. We should end up at the 3 o'clock wall to begin again. Back, rock, turn, full turn, step, ready to start the first step of the dance. Okay, so let's just do that once more. Large step to the right, turning left, then return to the right. Side, back, rock, quarter, full and a quarter, back, rock, quarter, turn, begin, 1, 2 and 3. From the top, then we'll just take it one more wall, then we'll fake it. Here we go. And it's step, mambo turn, step, turn, rock, recover, weave, behind 3/4 step to the side, behind quarter, cross, rock, side, touch, quarter, mambo, quick turn, sweep your left, jazz with a lunge, 3/4, turn to the front with a touch, side, cross, side, turn it left, to the back, 2, 3 o'clock, wall, begin, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and rock, 5, weave to the front, 3/4 step to the side, behind quarter, cross, rock, side, touch, turn, mambo, quick turn, now sweep left, jazz with a lunge, 3/4 turn, turn to the side, touch, side, cross, over, rock and quarter, full and a quarter. Now we go to the back, turn, turn, step, okay? When we get to the back wall, come forward, yeah. When we get to the back wall, you do the first 16 counts. And if it all goes to plan, we should restart the dance facing 9 o'clock wall. Here we go, thank you guys, yours. Make of it what you can, yours.